dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Salad with cucumbers, cheese, pepperoni, salami with cream cheese, Gatorade Zero, and a Lollis bar, and some keto granola. I'm telling you guys right now, this stuff is even better colder. It's like it reheats just like pizza. I'm eating it cold. It tastes like I'm eating a cold leftover piece of pizza. This is amazing.
That's murder.
Hey guys, we are on our way to Meijer. I'm trying to see if their school supply stuff went on clearance yet. Peyton needs a new binder already. We kind of got him a cheap binder at the beginning of the school year and it's ripping. And I think that's all I'm going for. Did I need something else? I can't remember. We went to the gas station, had to get gas, and I'm stressed today, you guys. It was a very stressful day at work just because an audit is coming up and it's an ISO audit, so it's a big deal. It takes a couple of days and my boss is stressed out, and then he puts a lot of work on me, and he puts a lot of his work on me, and then everybody else, all the other departments are also freaking out because they need stuff, and I'm like the center of everything. So every department needs something from me most of the time anyways, but they all need it more often, and so everything's like hot. Like, this is a hot part, we need to get this going, we need to do this, we need to do this, and it's like, I'm one person. I have to do my job. I help another person with a lot of things. I have to answer all the questions for all the other people in the lab. Like, I'm the team lead in there, so I have to answer a lot of things and be there for a lot of people. And when you give me a billion other jobs on top of what I'm already doing, it's like I can only do one thing at a time. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do one thing at a time, and I'm not gonna care. I'm not gonna care. I can't. That pizza is delicious cold. It actually tastes like leftover pizza when you eat it cold. That doesn't taste, it completely tastes, the taste completely shifted. It doesn't taste like the sausage crust anymore, which it didn't really taste like Italian sausage, but it tasted like pizza dough. It then tasted like pizza dough. It's crazy. Oh, Tiffany had a fundraiser, and I brought it to work. I brought it to work last year, and she was the top seller in her school because everybody at work bought a lot of stuff from her.
It was over $100 that I won.
Yeah, she ended up winning over $100 in prizes and cash, and they bought like $500 or $600 worth of stuff. Brought it to work, and my friend Larry at work, he's like, we gotta win again. It's not about the school now, it's about our work. We have to win. So we got 37 items. We got like $560 something.
No, it's over 600.
Was it over 600? Oh, like over $600. So hopefully she'll be the top seller in her school again, and she'll get to win all that stuff. Yeah, DAPCO don't play around when it comes to fundraisers. We'll be back. This is my dinner besides those 2 pieces of the cold leftover pizza from yesterday. 1 avocado, half of a cucumber, and a bowl of spinach with some ranch, and then I'm gonna have some butter pecan rebel for dessert. It's thawing right now. That's it. Have a good night, guys.